Hello Mzansi, welcome to Umkhosi Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. We are trend umakhadzi ngemva kokuthi kulikwe i-video la bekasestudio khona recording her new song, and people were making fun of the new song bathi indzaba ngathi ufuna kudenda ushadeshe. So I think the reason why le ngoma ingekho mnanzi or inganada think ukuthi vele guys akunabit laphayana uyatiqulela nje kuphela, but people were laughing at umakhathi bathi ayiqha ugele clear akasadi kokuthi sekumele aquleni. Le video lena it's making rounds lapha kuma social media platforms and everyone is just talking about it kokuthi ayiqha siyabona nje qobo kokuthi whatever that umakhathi is cooking now kuyoba nonsense. The amatorikisi hit maker awubonakala ticulela sheme studio anganankinga, but I'm sure ukuthi mase ine beat le ngoma leyana itoba hit guys. The reason nje why ingasemnanzi ukuthi ayina beats vele ingoma tamakhathi siyade ukuthi asizistithanze njena kungencayela ama beats, because ngalesinye isikhathi we don't even know ukuthi uqula uthini, but mase kuhlangane nel beat ivele ibe mnanzi ingoma. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. This is the end of my video. I am signing out, so goodbye.